phenol. That is, here we are preparing phenol from two methods, that is from cumene and from benzene sulfonic acid. Okay. Firstly, we are focusing on the preparation from cumene. Okay. That is, cumene means what? This is isopropyl benzene, also called isopropyl benzene. That is, first step is the preparation of cumene from benzene. That is, we are preparing cumene from benzene. How? That is, cumene is obtained from benzene by Fidelkraft alkylation between benzene and the propylene, that is propene, in presence of a ferric chloride or H3PO4. That is, in presence of a catalyst. Here catalyst used is ferric chloride or H3PO4. Okay, that is what we do. What do you mean by actually? What do you mean by Fidelkraft alkylation, or what do you mean by Fidelkraft reaction? That is the introducing. That is, during Fidelkraft reaction, or Fidelkraft reaction means we are introducing an alkyl or acyl group in benzene nucleus. That is, we are introducing alkyl or acyl group in benzene nucleus by an alkylating or acylating reagent in presence of a suitable catalyst. That is, most commonly the Fidelkraft reaction means the introducing an alkyl group or acyl group in the benzene nucleus in presence of a suitable catalyst. Okay, that most commonly the alkylating agent used are alkyl halide or alcohol or alkene. Okay, that is, most commonly used alkylating agents in the Fidelkraft reaction are alcohol, alkene or an alkyl halide. And the which type of catalyst are using here? Which type of catalyst are using here? This most commonly we are using AlCl3. This AlCl3 or else BF3 or FeCl3. That is ferric chloride. Okay. So the first step in the preparation of phenol is the from cumene. Here we are discussing from cumene, and the first step is the preparation of cumene. So we are synthesizing cumene from benzene by a process called Fidelkraft alkylation between benzene and the propylene. Okay. The second step is the preparation of phenol from cumene. Thus, we are preparing phenol from cumene. First of all, CH3, this is cumene. What we are doing? We are oxidizing. That is, cumene is readily oxidized by air to form cumene hydroperoxide. Readily oxidation in presence of air at a temperature of 333 to 353 Kelvin. This is what we are doing is the oxidation of the cumene. Okay, that is, cumene is readily oxidized by air, forming cumene hydroperoxide. What we are getting is the cumene hydroperoxide, COOH. Peroxide means OOH represents for the peroxide, that is CH3 and CH3 here. This is cumene hydroperoxide. Cumene hydroperoxide. And the second step. And next what we are doing? That is, we are converting this hydroperoxide into phenol by treatment with an aqueous acid. Yes, by treating this with aqueous acid. Aqueous acid means what? H plus H2O. Treating this cumene peroxide with aqueous acid, we are getting phenol, and the byproduct is much more important, that is acetone is the byproduct in this reaction. Okay. We are getting acetone as the byproduct. Okay. It is phenol and acetone. I'll explain whole process once again. It is first step is the preparation of cumene from benzene. That is by Fiedel-Crafts alkylation. That is the Fiedel-Crafts alkylation between benzene and propene in presence of a suitable catalyst. It is most widely used catalyst in this type of preparation. That is the preparation of cumene. We are using most widely this ferric chloride or H3PO4. Okay, H3PO4 or else H3PO4 can be used. Okay. Now the second step, after the preparation of cumene, what we are doing is treating this cumene is undergo. After the preparation of cumene, what we are doing is this cumene is readily oxidized by air, forming cumene hydroperoxide. After the formation of cumene hydroperoxide, that is, which is converted into phenol by treatment with the aqueous acid. Okay. All of you clear? That is, this process, that is the synthesis of phenol from cumene, is most widely used in the industry. That is, the most accepted process is from cumene. This method is very successfully used in Hindustan Organic Chemicals situated in Alwar. Okay, that is for the preparation of phenol and also for the preparation of acetone. That is, I have already told you. That is acetone. The byproduct formed in this preparation is the acetone. That is, what is the importance of acetone? The acetone is the valuable byproduct. You can say that acetone is the valuable byproduct we are getting. Here we are getting the most valuable byproduct, acetone, and the success of this method is due to the availability of benzene also. This benzene is most commonly available in plenty. Okay, and the success of this method is due to the availability of this benzene and also the most valuable byproduct, acetone. Okay. This is the most widely used method in the industrial purpose from synthesis from cumene, and 80% of the total world production of phenol is from cumene. Okay, all of you got it? Next we are discussing the preparation of phenol from benzene sulfonic acid. Okay, let us, can you say that how will you prepare or how can you prepare benzene sulfonic acid from benzene? Yes. You just do one thing, that is just pause your video and try to recall this. Conversion of benzene to benzene sulfonic acid. Okay. You just pause your video and try to recall. Okay. Try it. Because you had already studied this in the earlier classes. I think so. You must answer this. Okay. That is, teaching is not a one-way communication. It's a two-way communication. Even though this is YouTube lecture, guys, you can interact actually by pausing your video and just telling answer to yourself. Okay, otherwise you will be getting bored just sitting in front of the mobile and watching this, especially organic, whether you are interested or not. That's human's common nature. So guys, try to make this section interactive. Okay, try to make this section interactive so you can learn more and make the best of the resources available to you. Okay, let us start our class. Okay. Yes, we can prepare benzene sulfonic acid by using the reagent fuming H2SO4. Fuming H2SO4. What is the name of that fuming H2SO4? It's nothing but oleum. Okay, it's nothing but oleum. That is benzene is sulfonated with fuming H2SO4, sulfuric acid, that is oleum, to get benzene sulfonic acid. We are getting from benzene. After this sulfonation, benzene sulfonic acid. Okay. Now next step is the heating this benzene sulfonic acid with molten sodium hydroxide to get sodium phenoxide. We are getting sodium phenoxide. That is, by treating with NaOH, we are getting sodium benzene sulfonate. Thus, can write like this: sodium benzene sulfonate. Okay, this sodium benzene sulfonate. By treating with NaOH, firstly we are getting sodium benzene sulfonate, and then again fusing with NaOH, we will be getting sodium phenoxide, that is O minus Na plus. This is sodium phenoxide. Now next, the last step is the acidification of sodium phenoxide. That is acidification of sodium phenoxide. We are getting our product, that is phenol. Okay. That this is the step of preparation of, these are the steps involved in the preparation of phenol from benzene sulfonic acid. That is, firstly we are treating with fuming H2SO4 to get sulfonation, to get sulfonated. That is, we are getting benzene sulfonic acid. Then it is heated with molten NaOH, that is molten sodium hydroxide, to get sodium phenoxide. That is, firstly we are getting sodium benzene sulfonate, and the prolonged fusing with NaOH, that is molten NaOH, we are getting sodium phenoxide. And final step is the acidification of sodium phenoxide. We are getting this phenol as the product. Okay, all of you got it? Okay, these are the two preparations of phenol. That is, one is from cumene. It is the industrial preparation, and most of the 80% of world's 80% preparation of phenol is from the cumene process. That is from the, we have discussed first. That is, we have discussed first. That is, the world's 80% of the total world production of phenol is from cumene process. That is the industrial preparation. And second one is the benzene from benzene sulfonic acid. Okay, let us wind up the class. Thank you.